Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the second half of the custom exhaust build for the A3. We're going to continue just kind of working on the actual catback for the A3. I've done a little bit of work off camera, but we're going to just be doing, like I said in the last video, the cutting and measuring for the front wheel drive A3 exhaust that we got, because our A3 is Quattro if you're new to the channel. So we've got all the exhaust over here. We're just basically gonna start by doing all the measuring and everything, cut everything to the right sizes, and then get everything set up, make sure everything fits under the car, and then start welding everything together. And then hopefully today we're gonna have the APR exhaust done. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to consider this an APR kit anymore for the amount of work that we're actually going to be doing to modify this exhaust, but hopefully this kind of turns out to sound super sick. If you're new to the channel, right now the A3 has a HPA downpipe with a decatted APR mid pipe, and then it has the stock Quattro North American exhaust, which apparently is different from the European version. I don't know why, but it has no resonator and only the rear muffler section, which is like a briefcase muffler. And we're going to be going to a non-resonated catback as well, with just this small APR muffler here with the tips, and that is the only muffling or sound adjustment that we're gonna have in this exhaust, aside from just being completely catless and straight piped. So with that being said, we're gonna get the A3 back in the air again, rip the stock exhaust out, do our measuring, start chopping, and get to welding and get this exhaust done hopefully today. So we're gonna pound our extra large double and get to work. So
oh yeah. Oxidation looks like tape. Right through.
That weld actually milled it pretty well. Cause I'm trying to grind it down.
it's never a good day when you have to take the old choppy boys to the bumper. We're gonna have to chop a lot of this section out in order to fit this muffler, because it touches on here in order to get it to the desired position. You can do a little bit of cutting. We're just gonna take this whole section out. I'd say that's good enough. Probably gonna take a little bit of a file or some sandpaper to it just to kind of clean that up and make it look a little bit more factory. I just don't want it too close to there. Yeah, right there's probably good. Oh my god. I didn't get disconnected. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Holy.